Hello! In this video, we will show you how to use the BIMLOGIQ public command cable tray opening. This command automatically creates openings where cable trays intersect with walls and floors. First, we need to select the cable trays where openings will be created. Use the Cable Trays Select option to choose the cable trays. If you are working with linked electrical models, you can include cable trays from the linked file by selecting the Cable Trays in Link File option. Now, let's define the target elements where openings will be created. Using the Target Elements option, you can choose only walls, only floors, or both. If you want to leave some clearance around the cable tray, enter a value in the Gap Size field. This allows for easier installation and adjustments during construction. We will return to this section later to explore different merge options in detail. Once everything is set, click the Execute button, and the command will generate the openings. We have seen how the command works. Let's explore the Merge Openings feature with different scenarios. Now, let's enable the Merge Openings option and set Merge Tolerance value. This means that openings that are close together within 400 millimeters will be combined into a single larger opening. For this example, we decrease the merge tolerance to 200 millimeters. Now, any openings that fall within this distance are merged into a single large opening, making it easier for installation and coordination. With the BIMLOGIQ public command, cable tray opening, creating openings has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.